Good morning, everybody. Sorry it's a little late. My meeting went long, so this is our first full DBQ practice. We're working out of my AP classroom. You see the question here. Evaluate the extent to which technology transformed the United States economy in the period 1865 to 1898. One slight change, you'll see that there are 6 documents. Just for time element, we're just going to eliminate document 6. So do not do document 6. Do not do document 6. This assignment has been opened, and you write in your material right here. It is timed for 45 minutes, so once you start, you'll have 45 minutes to complete it. See, and follow the steps. Go, I would spend 5-10 minutes reading it. You get a bit of advantage because there's 2 pictures on this one. That's not going to be the case next week. But remember the rubric, context, thesis. Group your documents into an argument. Describe all 5. Cap 2. If you can come up with a counter argument, great. If you can come up with 2 pieces of outside information, great. So again, this is due tomorrow, so you can't come back and forth. You have to set yourself up for 45 minutes to do it. I don't care when. I would prefer it today, but I don't care when. But just as long as this gets done by Wednesday. So that's it with that. I'm sure you'll let me know if there's problems getting into my AP classroom. I know some of you have done it before for other stuff, but so you're logging into my AP classroom for this. The other thing is we will be meeting again tomorrow. I already sent the Zoom invite out for that, and I will send the Zoom invite for the Wednesday Kahoot, the transnational Kahoot, if you would. So good luck with this. If there's problems, let me know. I feel very confident this is a pretty fair question. This is something that I think is possible too. This is covering one big time period, but it's covering sort of lots of different areas. So I think it's a pretty fair question, and primarily I did it because I wanted to use the my AP classroom just because I have a sense that this is kind of what it's going to look like. So any questions, let me know. This is going to be posted obviously on Schoology, and good luck.